What's good, y'all? It's Chopper here, and y'all know, y'all can see we not in New York, we in Miami, baby. So I'm here with a brand new 2020 Slingshot SL Autodrive. This is the automatic version, so I'm testing it out to see how it drives or whatever. But we're gonna take a ride in it today, check it out, see how it does, and enjoy the weather here in Miami. It's super hot. So I'll see you in a little bit. Let's go for that drive. What's good, y'all? We inside the Slingshot now. I'm gonna show you guys how to turn it on, put it in drive, and go. You know what I'm saying? So the Slingshot comes with this little fob right here. It's got a lock and unlock. I tried locking and unlocking, but it must be something for like the computer to shut off or something, because ain't no door locks or anything. So with this fob here, all you have to do is get in the car, and automatically the car's in neutral with the e-brake on. So what you want to do is you want to press the brake. Once you press the brake, the cluster turns on. You let the e-brake down, you're automatically in neutral. So you press the start button, just push to start. Feels good, feels solid. Just turn this on over here. Make sure there's no music playing. So just go and drive. All it is this right here. You press the D, you press the brake, and press D. It's automatically in drive. This works like a standard transmission. Well, the clutch works like a standard, like a regular standard. Only thing is, the clutch engages electronically. So once you let go of the brake, the car doesn't move anywhere. Once you start getting on the gas, the clutch starts engaging, just like what a normal clutch would do, but without the hassle of you doing it. So as it takes off, you can see it got some power, but it has this little gap in between shifts because of the disengaging and engaging of the clutch. So just keep that in mind. As far as power, this is a lot more powerful than the previous ones. I think it has like maybe like 30 to 40 horsepower more. So when you step on it, it actually goes. So it got some giddy up to it. I mean, I know most people would prefer the stick shift one, but I was in Miami, we having fun. We don't want to be killing ourselves shifting. And it's actually working great. So let's go, let's keep driving a little bit more. We over here in downtown Miami. I know you can see the buildings. There goes a Lambo right there, the Huracan. And let's take a spin around downtown. Test this bad boy out. This is my first time in Miami, and I love it over here. It's great. Real tropical. Palm trees. The weather's amazing. There's only one little downside to this Slingshot that's been killing me ever since I started driving it. After a while, your feet area, it just gets so hot. Like, I guess all the heat comes up from the engine bay. So that's the only small problem. Other than that, it's pretty good. The suspension, a little rough, but remember, guys, this is a toy at the end of the day. This is not something to drive you around comfortable. It's trying to have fun and enjoy the weather and ride around, you know? Something different. Once we're done with the drive, I'll probably give you guys a look around, hitch out with a B-roll of the whole Slingshot so you guys can see what it looked like. So let's go, let's make this left. Picks up real good. We gotta take it a little easy over here because downtown there's a lot of cops, so maybe in a little bit we get on the highway and see what's going on with this. Right here to my left, where we was actually filming now, the intro, is the American Airline Arena. So everything's pretty quiet over here. They're dealing with the pandemic just like how we was in New York, so it's getting pretty ugly over here, and they're taking the right precautions. So most of the places are shut down. I went to a few tours. Did some crocodile, airboat adventure. Did a little tour boat. So I'm just dying to get back after this drive. I'm doing this drive for you guys, so I'm dying to get back and go in that pool. Y'all, I'm about to jump on the highway now. We're jumping on 95, and let's see how this do on the highway. We're gonna keep a speed limit, of course, if y'all know what I mean. Let's get it. The way it handles surprises me. It handles like a regular car, even though it only has one wheel in the back. So, I'm about to take some turns here. Actually pretty comfortable. I'm 6'1", 300 pounds, and I'm in here, I'm okay. It's not the most comfortable, but it's comfortable enough. Let's see how this bad boy picks up. Good. different. I'm actually filming today with just the GoPro. I didn't really bring my I didn't bring my big camera, so I'm filming everything on the GoPro. I hope you guys like it. Hopefully it looks good. Over this, but I kind of like this. Kind of like it a lot. So tell me what you guys prefer, a T-Rex or the Slingshot? You know, the T-Rex is a lot more expensive, but I kind of like this thing. Alright, y'all, just like that, our ride in the 2020 Slingshot is done, and I just wanted to close out the video here. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever new videos pop up. So like I always say, I love every single one of y'all. Keep showing me love, keep subscribing, keep sharing the video, and thank you. Y'all know the saying, chopper out of here. See ya.